Morning, friends. My name is Advocate Kaushik, and you guys are watching my video blog. Friends, today you'll be able to see a lawyer's day out with me. I practiced law at Delhi before Honorable Supreme Court of India, Delhi High Court, and various other district courts and tribunals. And today I have, one appearance at Tisazari courts. So I shall start my day from there. And in order for me to do that, let me get ready. All right. So then we'll start our blog going forward. All right. So I am done with my shower. Now getting dressed. You see, for a lawyer, it is very important that you carry yourself, in a presentable manner. You might have seen recently, ever since court proceedings are being telecasted on YouTube, when you see, judges reprimanding other people at times for what they are wearing. So for a lawyer, it's very important that you, carry yourself, in a very presentable manner. You got to follow the uniform. So for male lawyers, normally the uniform is that we wear a white shirt along with the black or lined black barrister trouser, along with obviously the black coat, because that is our identity. In the winter times, we need to make sure that we wear a waistcoat, and normally during summers, lawyers in district courts are given exemption to wear the coat at times because of the heat that normally is. Since I practice in Delhi, so the Delhi weather is extreme, but you need to make sure that you wear the complete uniform. I, as an individual, I always make sure that I carry myself well, because that's what really matters for a lawyer. Okay, so let me get ready. Okay, all right. Okay, so like I said, I try and make sure that I carry myself in a presentable manner to the court. You might have seen some of the lawyers wearing, the advocate's band, even at public places. Lawyers ideally should prohibit themselves, from doing that. You can only wear that advocate's band only before the court. Public exhibition is prohibited as per Indian Advocate Act, so lawyers should normally avoid. I normally wear a tie, and then obviously as when I reach the court premises, from there I wear my advocate's band, because that's how it is supposed to be. All right, friends. For me, waistcoat is the necessity. It doesn't matter what's the weather like. I don't mind being overdressed. So yeah, that's what I do. I'm almost ready. So there we go. All right, after the waistcoat, your coat, that's the necessity. Okay, how do I look? I guess one more thing is missing, and that's my pocket square. There we go. I'll show you how I look overall. Last but not the least, my wristwatch. And how can I leave without my Oxford shoes? Yeah. So my shoes. And once I'm done with my complete attire, I'm going to show you how it basically looks. And then we shall proceed. Okay, like I said, I don't know about the other lawyers, but I always go with the Oxford shoes. So let me get ready. Final attire. including my Oxford shoes. I'll see you guys in a way. Alright, okay, so on my way, I'll talk to you in the cab now. Okay, so heading down, my cab is waiting for me. So just going out to grab the cab driver is waiting outside. I'm not driving my beast today because there are time constraints, and I'll tell you why am I not driving my beast today. Getting inside the cab now. Alrighty. Chale bhaiya. So like I was saying, why am I not driving my beast? Because I have a court appearance at 30 Hazari today. And when I go to 30 Hazari, the problem is this, that you'll have to park it outside. And then when your matter is at the beginning of the board, you do not want to mess up with that. Otherwise, you'll have to wait throughout the day for the board to finish. So yeah, I have taken the cab. So you see, traffic in Delhi is always a big problem. So therefore, in the morning hours, when I try to rush to the court, I make sure that I ask my driver to reach the court, and I use whichever transport is possible for me to reach the court. Like I said, I do not want to wait because court's time is very precious, and we as court's friend, we need to make sure that we follow what's right. So from here I am going to head to one of the metro stations, and from there I'll directly go to Tisazari courts. Metro connectivity in Delhi is really well. If people are watching this vlog, those who are not from Delhi, you see metro connects you everywhere, and unlike how the Google Maps will tell you that this much is the time to reach to a destination, with metro, whatever is the calculated time, within that time you'll reach to your destination. Alright, okay, so I have reached the metro station, a little bit of security check, and I've started to walk towards the platform, and I'm waiting for the metro. Okay, and finally boarded the metro, and this time while I'm traveling in public transport, when I get to be on my own, normally I think about what I need to do in the court. Today's matter is pretty much like I said, it's a civil matter, and today the matter is listed to frame issues. Now I will discuss that in detail in the later part of the video, what basically issues are, and what stage of trial issue is in a civil trial. But yeah, I normally think about what all I need to argue, what all I need to discuss. I just recalibrate whatever preparation I have related to that very appearance on that very day, and then that's pretty much. I have now reached. All right, boarded the train, and now I'm going to show it to you. The rush that I was talking about, the traffic issue that I was talking about, that why I did not drive my car on my own today to the court. Okay, so yes, now you see this is this main road outside Tisazari court. You can see the traffic jam, and then you'll also see on one side of the road there are vehicles parked. These vehicles are for the lawyers and litigants, and then obviously when you travel on your own, you will see lot many. It's a very time conducive process. You'll see lot many hurdles to reach to the work. Okay, so I have finally reached Cesare court premises, and I'm ready to roll. As per the restrictions, I can't take you inside the court. So let me quickly brief you what's the matter is about. So today I am appearing in a commercial court, and we are appearing for a defendant. So I'll let you know what apparently happens. All right, so have a look. I have reached before time, and I consider this as an advantage. And let me walk towards the court. So done with the court appearance, and if the sound is not that good for the video right now, sound quality may be bad because of the mic. So sitting in the cafeteria waiting for a coffee, and there we go. So here are the court premises at the Cesare Court. This is a very old canteen, and then the guys prepare this really nice cutlet with the cold coffee in the weather. So I'm going to have this. I'll talk to you guys post that. So done with the appearance, waiting for my cab so that I can reach home. I shall speak with you on the way and discuss what was the case all about, what all we've done today. Alright, okay, so let me discuss this with you. So today's matter was, like I said, it's a commercial courts matter, and matter was up for framing issues. So therefore, the honorable judge framed issues as per order 14, rule 1, and basically directed, because since I was appearing for defendant, so directed defendant to submit the check, which is in the amount of what we've agreed for. So let me just add something right here. So what apparently happened in commercial court cases, likewise in criminal cases, charges are framed. So in commercial court cases or commercial cases, or so to say civil cases, issues are framed. Issues are basically some of the pointers pertaining to which judges they decide what should ideally happen, okay, and where the the case will head towards, what will be decided in a due course of entire trial. So this is pretty much, there are limitations as per what we can record in the court premises, etc. So obviously I could not show you the court proceedings, but I am done with pretty much my first half of the day, and heading home. Post I reach home, obviously post lunch I'll have a couple of meetings for tomorrow. So I hope guys you've liked this entire today's video. And since I'm doing it for the first time, do let me know how did you like this entire today's lawyer's day out. And again, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe it. And if you're watching this video blog on Facebook, do like my page. And comments are always welcome in case you wish to add something, you want to discuss something. So that's pretty much, people. Thank you so very much for watching today's video vlog. Based on how you guys like it, I'll decide if I'll have to do vlogs like these in future. And that's it. Have a good one, people. Thank you for watching.